So the deal of the day that I have sent last Sunday night is working amazingly well, and as you can see, my friends, the pound CAD has triggered our buy level at 1.68396, and I mean this was one amazing entry. Look at that, the pair has reversed exactly from where I mentioned we can start buying the pair, and currently running in 70 pips of profits. Congratulations to everyone who have actually taken this signal, and hopefully, my friends, all of the deal of the days will be great as this one. The pair right now is running towards the take profit level and just like 23 pips far away from our take profit level. But however, it's time now to do some live trades, and I'm here actually to do some live trade session right front of you. The market right now showing us some interesting setups, and I wanted to enter some trades right in front of you, my friends. So let's see together what are the setups that are actually waiting for us. And of course, today I'm going to use the 20 pips a day strategy. 20 pips a day strategy. Let me just show you something first. Hold on. So if you are new to my channel and you are watching me for the first time doing a live trading session, please go to my channel videos right here and click on the search button and just type here 20 pips a day. And then these videos will come up and you can watch this video right here, the best forex strategy, how to make 20 pips every day. And you can follow it up later with this video, forex strategy 20 pips a day. In these two videos I have explained in brief my secret strategy, not my secret strategy, I mean I'm showing it to in the public for free. But however, you will learn actually my strategy and how we are actually can make 20 pips every day. So the principle here of this strategy is to make 20 pips every single day, meaning your profit will be 20 pips or your losses is gonna be 20 pips as well. You won't earn or lose more than 20 pips every single day. And if every day you have aimed the trusted setups, you will earn 20 pips in the end of the day. So therefore, by the end of the week, you are gonna end up with 100 pips of profit. The idea here is to control your funds to the maximum. We want you to control your funds, so in the end, you won't actually blow any accounts, you won't actually be surprised by any losses happened, you won't actually trade without a plan. That's the whole idea of this strategy. That's the reason it's quite powerful, and actually you can make a lot of money with this strategy, which I'm teaching here to the public for free. So right now I'm here on the 1 hour time frame, and I'm just checking the setups right here. I'm looking at the pairs one after another, hoping to find something. Actually, I'm doing it right in front of you. I just sat down right here and I just decided to do some trades, and however I decided let me just record it so it will be obvious for you the kind of waiting that I'm doing and how actually we are waiting and searching or hunting for these setups. So far I don't find anything useful actually. Let me tell you something. My favorite pairs is usually all the pound pairs plus the euro NZD and the gold. I usually like to trade these pairs actually because they can give us a lot of profits quite fast. However, so far nothing. Let me switch to the 15-minute time frame and again check the pound NZD, pound CAD, pound JPY, pound AUD. So far nothing really I can find. Anyway, to not waste your time, let me please pause the recording and I'll be back to you once I find the next setup. Alright, we found something good for the USD CAD. Let me just show you, my friends, right here on the 30-minute time frame. The USD CAD has approached right here a resistance level on the 30-minute time frame. That resistance level has actually become a support level for 3 attempts, as we can see. Then we had right here the bearish breakout from that support level. Now what I'm expecting from the USD CAD is to actually respect this level of the resistance. So that resistance right here is going to keep its position right here as well. And let me just increase the lot size to make it 1.3, and here we go. Here we go, perfect. And I have placed the sell order. Let me just first of all place my stop loss right here. So as I said before, my friends, we are aiming to make 20 pips, so therefore our stop loss has to be 20 pips, as we can see. $210 from this account, 2,622. Actually, I didn't withdraw any money last week, so therefore I started this week with a good amount. Usually I start the week with $1,200, $1,500. However, let's see what's waiting for us next. Let me just make sure that the take profit level can indeed provide me 20 pips. So let me just tell you something. Let me zoom in. And as you can see, my friends, I have placed my trade right here on the first attempt of the resistance. Therefore, my take profit level has to be at the nearest support or resistance to my entry. And as you can see, if this trade can keep falling down, this is right here, the nearest support to that resistance. We're having here this resistance, then directly we are having right here a support. Then the one after coming is this resistance right here, and the after coming that support right here. So therefore, this support right here is gonna be my take profit level, and as you can see, that's gonna provide me 23 pips of profits. 21 pips. Perfect. That's gonna be about $221, which is gonna be a good profit actually from this trade. So therefore, we have found here one setup for the USD CAD. I think we can keep it running. I mean, this trade is quite trusted for me, and I believe it's a good deal. So let me just see next what we can have. Let me just tell you something right here. Actually, for the pound NZD, I can place the sell order right now. Let me just reduce the lot size, make it one only, and place sell order. Perfect. All right, allow me to explain the reason. As we can see, my friends, the level of 1.95712 has been quite a strong resistance for quite a long time. Look at that. We're having several attempts right here of the resistance. By the way, let me just set my stop loss first, so making sure I won't mess up anything. Because even if you're trusting your setup, you don't know what will gonna happen. Forex market is not really that reliable, especially in December. So we had actually to place the stop loss first of all, then I will place my take profit later. However, I need to explain to you the reason behind this entry. So as I said before, this level actually, my friends, is a very strong resistance level. And notice something, that the resistance right here was actually going right from that level, as we can see. Then suddenly we can see that the market has made the bullish breakout right from that level. This is the last bullish candle happened right here before we can see the first support appeared right here. So this was the first support, and remarkably, we had only one single attempt of a support, which was right here. Now we can see that the same level has already become a new resistance. So this is resistance number one. Let me just zoom in here again, show you. Right here, my friends, right here, this is the bearish breakout candle from that support level right here. So this, okay, wait a minute, I need to click this button right here. Yeah, so we can see it clearly. So we had right here the support level, and as we can see, my friends, this was the bearish breakout candle. Therefore, this reversal right here, which happened right here, this is actually the resistance number one. Right now we are on the on resistance number two. That's not resistance number two. We are right now on the resistance number two. Therefore, I'm expecting from the market to make a reversal right here. Now, I'm not saying that the market is going to continue to fall at this point. No, I don't say that. What I'm saying is the market is going to reverse at that level, and therefore our take profit level has to be placed at the nearest support or resistance to our entry. So therefore, let me just tell you something. Since I am actually on the 1 hour time frame, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Perfect. Now on the 15-minute time frame, we can see clearly that we're having right here a resistance level where I have placed my trade, and right here we're having a support. That support right here has to be my take profit level, because this is the nearest level to my entry. So therefore, my take profit level is going to be 15 pips only. 16 pips, equivalent to $112. So do you see the idea here, my friends? The idea here is our take profit level cannot be fixed number of 20 pips. It's all depending on the setup that actually we're having. This is what the setup is providing for me. I cannot really force the market to give me 20 pips right here, because if I set my take profit level right here, for example, or right here, I can end up losing this trade, because the market actually might reach this level and then it's gonna continue the growth. So you don't really want to mess up with the rules of the strategy. Always make sure that you are exiting your trade at the nearest support or resistance to your entry, and just stick to this rule, and trust me, you will end up in a good profit. So anyway, as you can see, the trades right now ranging in loss. As we can see, my friends, it's a small loss on the two trades, which is very normal, of course. By the way, don't get panic when you see your trades going in loss. That's of course very normal, and it all matters about when the candle will close. So allow me now, sorry, allow me now, please, to pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later once I finish with these two trades. All right, my friends. So the pound NZD is going so far in 13 pips of profits, equivalent to $75. I believe that's fine, because here is the support number one, and the pair is almost right there on the second attempt of the support, and I closed the trade, securing my profits, which is really great. Let's check, my friends, right now for the USD CAD. USD CAD is still struggling in our entry. Actually, I'm very happy for the profits. Every profit I make is really make me very, very excited, and just excited. Okay, where were we? We were in the USD CAD. So USD CAD is still reversing, as you can see, and right here the pair has reversed exactly at the peak of the resistance on 1.27634. All right, let me now try to find something else. Hopefully we can find another setup that we can enter, and so far I don't find anything actually. Let me now please pause the recording, my friends, and I'll be back to you later once I find the next. Hold on. The gold is rising. The gold is rising, and I think it's, let me reduce the lot size 0.50 and please sell. Okay, actually that was a quick one. That was a very quick one. Let me just first set my stop loss right here. $86, fine. Investing about $150 in this trade. Perfect, already in profit. Wow. nice. Perfect. Already running in 8, 9, almost 10 pips of profit. So I really didn't have any time to explain to you the reason behind this entry. I just had to do it and just explain it later. You see, I'm out of words. I cannot even speak. I just had to explain later the reason for this trade. Anyway, let me just explain to you, since the trade right now is going back to the entry. As you can see, my friends, the pair was rising, and it's approaching here a resistance level. Of course, that can be seen on the 4-hour time frame. If we go to the 1-hour time frame as well, wait a second. Okay, yeah, here we can see that the pair has actually reached a strong resistance level. But how did I know that the pair is gonna reverse exactly from where I have placed my sell order? Let me show you. Let me show you. By going to the 15-minute time frame, exactly right here, my friends, we had the peak of the resistance at 1,000, I think about 1,791. This was actually, my friends, the peak of the resistance right before this fake breakout. And usually the normal behavior of the market, once it has actually a resistance attempts like that, and then facing a fake breakout, usually what happens is that the market is gonna rise again and reverses exactly at the same level of the resistance right before the fake breakout happened. So therefore, that resistance right here is gonna be respected. That is the exact principle that I have used in this trade. This was the resistance level, which was the nearest one to this fake breakout candle, and therefore I had to place my sell order exactly right from here. As you can see, it's a sniper shot. This is a very good one, and I believe it's gonna bring us good profits. So for the take profit level, since I have placed my trade right here at the peak of that resistance, my take profit level has to be, of course, at the nearest support to my entry, and of course the nearest support is exactly right here. Why? Because okay, wait a minute, the USD CAD is losing a lot. USD CAD is actually facing big losses. Let's see, we are still fine. Okay, we are still fine, we are still good. I actually have drawn right here this resistance zone. That resistance zone indicates the safe zone that the trade can go against my direction. So far running in just 9 pips of loss. Should be fine. We have made so far, I think, about $100 of profit from the gold and from the pound NZD. All right, let's back to the gold. So as I said before, my friends, right here, we're having a resistance level. That resistance has already been broken out from with this bullish breakout candle, and right here lies exactly the support number 1. Therefore, that support level right here is the nearest support to my entry. So right here is the resistance, the new resistance number 1, and let me just make it clear. Here is the resistance number 1, and right here is the support number 1. Therefore, my take profit level has to be exactly right here at the support number 2. All right, everything seems clear. This trade is going perfectly fine, and I don't know, I should close it maybe. So far running in 10 pips of profit, but it's only $40, which is not really worth it. This USD CAD trade is killing me so far. I just hate the price action. That price action indicates a continuation in the growth. It doesn't mean any bearish reversal at all. But however, we cannot decide until this candle closes. Right now I'm on the 15-minute time frame, and this candle still has 3 minutes and 35 seconds for the closure. Don't decide anything until you see the candle closes. If the candle is gonna close like this, I'm going to exit this trade and accept the losses. Anyway, everything is going well in the gold. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these 2 trades. Check this out, my friends. As I told you, don't decide anything until the candle closes. Look at that. The candle is going to close within 9 seconds, and look at the shape of it right now. That price action definitely indicates a bearish reversal, and hopefully the USD CAD is going to end up in a very good profit. It was in $100 of loss, but right now we can see the pair finally in break even, and hopefully soon is going to be in profit. Always make sure that when you are analyzing the market, continue analyzing just what I did right here by drawing this safe zone and deciding that this is the resistance zone right here, and if the pair is going to be able to exceed that level, it's not going to be a safe trade. And of course, wait for the candle to close before you decide how it's going to end up. So as you can see, even the gold is going really very well. I'm going to keep it because it's actually a very good trade. All right, everything seems to be going well for both trades right now. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these 2 trades. Oh, wait a minute. The take profit, okay, good. The take profit level has been hidden. Perfect. I was about to pause the recording, then I see that we have made $100 from the gold. Fantastic. Yeah, that's great. It's a good feeling. The good feeling is not only making profit, but making it in front of you. So you can see exactly how I'm making a living and how we can actually trade Forex, and we can make a really good living out of it. And of course, I'm very glad to share with everyone my strategy. It's not a secret. That is exactly, my friends, what I'm doing for my trades, and I'm not hiding any information from you. So regarding the USD CAD, I think because right here, my friends, we're having here a previous resistance level, there is a slight chance that the trade actually can reverse exactly from that previous resistance to create a new support. In other words, I'm going to close the trade right now with a break even, or actually we lost about $7, which is really nothing compared to the profits that we have made in these trades. So actually I really wanted to make some more trades, but we're in 18 minutes of this video, and I know these videos usually are quite boring for almost everyone. And I think in the near future I will focus more on live trades video. I will do a lot more live trading videos, my friends. I know these videos are the one that actually can improve your trading experience. This is what you need to improve your trading skills. So I think that's it. That's enough. Yeah. Anyway, I will see you, my friends, soon in another live trading video. I might do another one tonight. I might actually be scalping the gold soon, since the gold, oh my god. Oh my god, if I just let it go. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at that. That's amazing. That's amazing. Now I regret closing it, but however, I'm still very happy for securing my profits, and I think I did the right thing. Anyway, I might do some live trades, or you know something. No, I'm not going to trade right now. Right now is not the best time to trade because I think the new, the NY session has started, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, I will see you tonight, my friends, or I will see you tomorrow in another live trading videos. In the end, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.